There's a very active pattern in place right now across the U.S. And honestly, as we get a little bit closer into spring, it remains active very often because you get those major shifts up and down and you get storms along with that. Now today we're dry, but by this evening we're looking for the potential for some additional rain, freezing rain and snow around here. Looking out over Daily Plaza right now, it's cloudy and that's about it. A nice light wind and no real issues. We have temperatures coming in from our weather watchers at 30 from David and Bourbonnais. I've got about 32 from Glen and Minooka. Nancy and LaPorte at 30, and the same goes for Patrice Davies in Chicago. She's also at 30 degrees. Right now, no advisories in effect, but beginning at 6 o'clock, we've got this winter weather advisory, which will kick in. This one starts at 6 and goes all the way through until 9 a.m. on Tuesday morning. So it's with us for a while. We've got a winter storm warning back on off to the north and west. That's where conditions are expected to be just that much worse. But here, it will likely be hazardous at times as well, based on the precipitation that I see coming. Radar picture right now is clean and dry, so at the moment we don't have anything of concern, but take a look. You can already see the rain down to the south, a little bit of freezing rain and snow down around Kansas City, approaching the Mississippi River, and that stuff spreads up and in as we move through the afternoon, so it's still a ways away. It's not here yet. We've got temperatures in the upper 20s, low 30s around Chicagoland, and we're at 31 degrees even at noontime. Moving into about 7 o'clock. Here we go with some freezing rain, northwest Indiana through to Midway, a little bit of snow at O'Hare. A little bit of snow at McHenry, but DeKalb still has the freezing rain. Now, where are we by 11? Midway and O'Hare still with the freezing rain, but snow for Waukegan and Points North. Down south of that, it's going to mix in quite a bit around Morris and Ottawa, Gary and Valparaiso. Big question for this, what is the temperature of the roadways? Other big question, how quickly does it shift up to the north? Because this is all rain by 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Gary, Valpo, Rensselaer, even at O'Hare. You have to get all the way up to Waukegan, all the way out to McHenry to find the potential for freezing rain still at 6 a.m. Backside of the system comes through, and we're looking maybe at some snow still up to the north at around noontime tomorrow. So it's going to be an interesting forecast out there. We could see up to 3 to 6 inches of snow extreme far northern counties and 1 to 3 across O'Hare and Midway. But I think if we see that transition just a little bit sooner, which some of those models are hinting at, I think we could see that transition over to freezing rain or rain faster. That knocks these numbers way down. This is a tough forecast because it places us right on that rain-snow line, and within that, it's going to vacillate quite a bit and move around. We could also see the potential for some ice accumulation too. So obviously that's something that would bring some concern to us. Looking at that 7-day planner, we do have a rather active week. We've got some snow showers again on Tuesday and then a break, and then Tuesday night, a break on Wednesday and Thursday. But looking at some light snow again Thursday night into Friday, much colder this weekend. So definitely in that kind of pattern where it's just kind of heads up each and every day. Temperature's not horrible, not like polar vortex times, but just the 30s.
'Tis the season.
Thanks, Megan.
Thanks, Megan.